maybe you'd just like to perform better and enjoy it more. You've extended a try.
Okay, where is... Phil, if you don't stop, I'm really going to get irritated, okay?
About what?
You doing that.
But I'm not doing anything.
You're taking pictures and I don't want you to.
What's wrong with me taking pictures of our family?
I know, you always want to think. Me. Take a picture of me.
Just eat.
Eat?
Yeah, you got a long way to go.
Got you some Kimmer rice?
Yeah, you better not be recording me because I'm going to get really pissed off.
Why? What's the matter with you?
Because I'm eating! What do you think?
That's some really good Kimmer rice. And send it to Roger Herta. He'll be like, what the heck are you eating? He's eating some weird green things. Dad, are you videotaping that? Send it to Roger Herta.
Why would I want to do that?
Because he always sends pictures of food to Mom every day.
He does?
Yeah.
He sends pictures of food to you, babe?